Manitoba Teachers Society is an organization that provides services to the public school teachers of Manitoba, approximately 15,000 teachers. The services that they offer range from collective bargaining to professional development, but also one of the services they offer is the administration of a disability benefits plan for those teachers. The software that was being used by the Manitoba Teachers Society to administer the disability benefits plan was an aging system. The technology was getting old, it was becoming more difficult to support, more difficult to upgrade, and so one of the key drivers was to put us into a more modern platform that would provide an ongoing upgrade path as well as support, and also to gain efficiency. We wanted to gain efficiency in our processes and therefore increase the efficiency of our service to our members. We have been live for just over a month now, and we're finding that the users are adapting quickly and easily into the new system. Throughout our process of implementing FINEOS, we invested a lot of effort and time into planning our training and conducting our training with our end users, and we felt that this really facilitated them adapting to the new system quickly. We just recently implemented the system, so we'll see more benefits with the system over time. But some of the staff have already shared some anecdotal stories of benefits they've seen in the system within the first month. One of our staff shared a story that a claimant had called in inquiring about a deposit that was recently made to their bank account. Within FINEOS, they're able to open the claim instantly, see the supporting documentation around the payment, and explain immediately to the member what the payment was about. One of the major things that we would have done a little different in our project is the creation of a development environment or a sandbox environment for our project team earlier in the project, so they had a place to go in and explore and to learn the product better. Overall, there's very little we would change in terms of our project plan, is that we were able to go through and complete the project ahead of schedule and on budget with the decisions we made. Things that went particularly well is we felt our approach to doing training and change management within our organization flowed very nicely. What we ended up doing is about mid-project, we engaged all staff in 6 all-staff meetings where we exposed them to the product and talked about how we were configuring it and how we were creating the system they'd be working on when we went go live. We felt this exposure to the system very early in the project gave everybody a chance to voice the concerns and have those concerns addressed. One of the key decisions that we had taken that kept us on schedule in this project was a decision to stay as close as possible to base product. By minimizing the amount of customization, we were able to work more quickly through configuration to create the business processes that we needed in our organization. Our interaction with FINEOS consultants throughout this project was critical to our success. We found they gave us the right information that we needed at the right time in order to enable us to make the right decisions in our project. One of the key factors to our success was the internal project team. The group that was coming from the business side to work on this project were 100% behind the choice of FINEOS and very excited to see the changes it was putting into their workflow and the workflow of their colleagues. Their excitement throughout the project was contagious within the project team as well as within the staff in general.